If your phone says charging but the percentage isn't moving, that's not normal. And if you keep forcing it, you'll damage your battery permanently. Here's the real reason it happens, and how to fix it fast. This problem is super common in Nigeria because of fake chargers, low voltage, and dirty charging ports. Let's fix it step by step. 1. Clean the charging port. 80% of charging issues come from this. Use a toothpick or a dry brush, metal, and gently remove dust. If your phone is charging slowly or not increasing, dirt is blocking the pins. 2. Check your charging cable. Fake or damaged cables show charging but deliver zero power. Test with another cable, preferably a certified fast-charging one. If it works instantly, your old cable was the culprit. 3. Check the charger head. Your adapter may be weak, especially if it has no wattage label. Use at least 10W for basic phones, 18W fast charge, 25W, 33W for Samsung and Xiaomi, 20W for iPhones. Underpowered chargers equals charging but no increase. 4. Close background apps. If your phone is using more power than it's receiving, it won't increase. 5. Switch off the phone to test. If it increases only when switched off, your battery is weak or your software is glitching. Update your OS, and if it still persists, your battery needs replacement. 6. Avoid charging on generator low voltage. Low voltage sends unstable power that confuses your charging circuit. If you use a generator, wait until it's fully stabilized before plugging in. Try these steps, and your charging issue will be gone.